Right, so here we are with the unboxing video for arrived this morning. Let's pass the parcel. So inside here we've got another one, and inside this one, as of all of my unboxing videos, this is not something that has been sent to me. This is something I have bought for myself. So all of my opinions are my own. I'm not being paid by anyone to do anything. So this is the SENA SMH5 Bluetooth communication system. And this is what it looks like. So in here, if I can cut through that tape, inside is the paperwork, the unit itself, boom microphone connector underneath. We have sticky pads, a selection of covers, attachment. This is what appears to be the headphones, the clip, I think, charging cable. So in here first, there is Velcro pads. These I assume are the spacer pads to go between the headphones and the helmet if you need them a bit closer. The stick-on adapter, a Velcro cable clip, small Allen key, the Velcro microphone, two foam ends for the boom microphone. This is the stick-on pieces for the Velcros. In here we have wiring and the headphone pieces. The unit that you will use. Nice twist on that. Good tactile click. And a good tactile click on the rear button as well. The boom microphone, which can be moved around to where you need it, again with more Velcro attachment. Here we have the clip, a screw-on clip to clip for a thin-walled helmet, and the attachment on the side there. And then for the paperwork that comes with it, is the quick start guide and basic instructions, how to pair, all of that business. The same again in another language, the same again in another language, the same again in another language, same again in another language. So if you speak any of those, you're golden. There's all your safety stuff, some more safety precautions. There's that, and then a reference guide for what all the lights mean, what all the buttons do, how to operate everything. I'll try and do an installation video of this again, so you can all see how this all goes together, how it works in my helmet. I've got a full face helmet, and we will see how that goes, so keep an eye out for that one.